One thing that's for sure about Pennsylvania, especially if you're traveling east, just, you know, paying for gas in every single state, as soon as you hit Pennsylvania, your wallet kind of goes, it changes drastically. I went from paying like about $2.45, $2.49 a gallon in Ohio to I can't find anything under $3.15 in Pennsylvania. So big change. Nothing I didn't come prepared for or expect or plan for. It is starting to rain. Look at this huge, rusty Lincoln Highway 30 gas pump though. See, I couldn't possibly complain about the weather. Again, no blue skies. So no, it's not washed out behind me. It's just overcast again, which is great. I mean, it's gonna be a nice cool day. I won't even run the generator. That's actually pretty good detail there. Huh. And there is actually some information here. It says, Roadside Giants of the Lincoln Highway, designed and built by the students of the Eastern Westmoreland Career and Technology Center. Thanks, guys. That is some worthwhile art. Fantastic. I'll give it to Pennsylvania. I love their work for the Lincoln Highway marker signs here. Just a little different. It's like elongated with the Lincoln penny up there. So just reminding us we're on the right route. A little different, huh? Yeah. Why not just put a Castle Bar restaurant right off of Lincoln Highway? Chances are Eric may stop in. Yeah. So it says steaks and seafood. They open at 11 a.m. It's like 10:30 now, so since I didn't eat breakfast this morning, I'll go feed Jax here and then we'll have lunch inside, see what it looks like on the inside, okay? Jax, is that a good spot? You being a dash kitty? You ready to go? I am going to need to start remembering to change the GoPro. Like, I take the GoPro into places like this Castle restaurant where I just don't want this big bulky thing. It's just, excuse me, it's more discreet. That was a really good burger. Oh my gosh. I hadn't had a burger in a while. It'd been like 2 days and I was fiending. I don't trust deer, especially when there's babies involved. Everybody thinks I freak out and slow down way too much. No, they're unpredictable, right? They don't know what we are or what we're doing, and they can dart out even when they're just standing there being cool. This is somebody's barn right off of Lincoln Highway with some Lincoln Highway artwork on it. I like that. I actually got to get to the other side of the road to show you all of this. Look at that. That's pretty neat. What a cool little barn. I actually did not notice it because I'm driving this direction, but I looked in my side mirror after going down this hill and I saw, nice Mustang, I saw this design on the other side. How brave am I coming across? Isn't that cool? I like that. Nice artwork, guys. Okay, so remember Mother Goose Land? I think that this is a private residence here. I believe they got some of the stuff from Mother Goose Land when it closed, because they've actually got the Pied Piper there, which is pretty cool, right? You know, just blowing his horn right off of Lincoln Highway. Yeah, I think they may have auctioned off some of the stuff from Mother Goose Land. They probably did. While we're here in Shellsburg, Pennsylvania, you RV owners, you're gonna want to be really extra careful when the side dips down when you're doing street parking. Hey! The trucker knows me. That's awesome. See how the top of my RV cuts down into this right there? Just be mindful of that, and especially when you turn out, you don't clip stuff like that. I know, awesome. Well, I met one of my viewer subscribers, Henry, who drives for Sun State. He's from Florida, and he's a long-haul trucker, and he follows me, and he's actually got an RV because of the channel. It happens that way, man. Look at this. We got an old, original Lincoln Highway Auto Center here. Garage, you know, probably a full service. I don't know if there were gas pumps out here. Originally, I don't know. This is hilarious, okay? Vincent Van Gas, guys. That's right. That's a great piece. That makes me smile. So you can see the plaque on the bottom, Lincoln Highway Heritage Corridor. And Lincoln Highway, traveling the highway. There's another older picture, 1921, of this garage. And Pennsylvania reminds us to follow signs like this to travel the historic route through Pennsylvania. So obviously, as we continue on east, we are going to be looking for any kind of Pennsylvania Lincoln Highway markers, because there's a lot of history. So we've talked about things such as infrastructure in the Northeast, as far as possibly not being as accommodating to RVs. Also, just people looking at my RV or any RV in this area like, whoa, because there aren't that many. I did find a place to pull off and park here, and now we're gonna walk back on the highway to what I had to make a U-turn for, to go see. No problem, because there is absolutely no parking anywhere up here. Even a car would have a difficult time, but this looks good enough to show. I mean, what were the chances of running into a radio museum? A radio museum. What? It says Ron's Antique Radio Museum. Over on this side, it's a Radio Shack emblem. Some old gas pumps and a radio museum phone booth in there. There's a lot in here, guys. Before I forget, the old man that runs the radio museum, it's just called the 50s Museum there. He will talk your face off, guys. I was the only visitor, and he showed me that entire room and every single radio, and then brought me into the garage. He has a massive collection. I would say one of the biggest, like, original radio tubes and everything from the 1900s on, so it's pretty cool. I just didn't film it all because he was just showing me stuff. We got a ginormous coffee pot here at the Pennsylvania Century Fair grounds. And it's actually important to the Lincoln Highway, guys, as it was a giant roadside attraction for the Lincoln Highway during 1912 to 1940. So although I've seen quite a few of these large coffee pots or water towers turned into coffee pots along the road, this one feels more significant because it was an icon. It was a physical thing that was seen on this stretch of Lincoln Highway. So the good news is now I have a tip on some not urban camping, but nice natural camping opportunities. So we're gonna head there. I'm kind of tired. Today took a lot of time to drive around and stop and do things. I don't think we saw a whole lot of stuff, and I got water on the lens again. Darn it. Oh, is that your spot? It's been a while, huh? Yeah, we haven't found a good, nice spot to camp for a while, huh? Why don't you just flop right there?
No,
That's a good flopping spot. Want to get your flop on? That's how you flop and get comfies. Yeah. Yeah, guys, how about this? Like, compare this part of Pennsylvania to Pittsburgh, right? I mean, you can't even park anywhere in Pittsburgh. And look at this park. There is nobody here. A lot of bugs and mosquitoes. There must be a body of water nearby. Nobody wants to enjoy it besides Jax and I. Sorry, I thought I could have Belly. Guess I don't get Belly. There's a lot of flies, though. Jax, can you eat some of these flies? Yeah, you can. They're like everywhere. Oh, you busy? Okay. What are you busy doing? Cat stuffs. Oh. 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 Love you too. Wait there, Jax. Wait right there. I want to go check something here. Oh, he did wait. What a good boy. No threads, but if I use my water bandit, non-potable water, it says. You don't gotta pay a lot, Eric, you just gotta pay attention. What do you think, Jax? You think meow? Okay. Are you hungry? You're hungry? Oh, is that where it's at? In the RV? Oh, okay, I'll be right there. I just switched the camera from manual focus to autofocus. I have no idea how long it's been out of focus. I'm sorry, guys. Darn it. Am I in focus now? Yes, I am. Y'all have a wonderful, terrific day. I'll see you soon.